Good afternoon, uh, class 9. So, actually, uh, in this class, we will discuss about the question answer of the uh, moment book. That is your the chapter is the Adventures of Toto, and this chapter is about the journey of a monkey, the journey of a monkey from Tangawale to the private zoo and again to the Tangawala, because the narrator, as I told you in the earlier class, the narrator's grandfather, he loves uh, the animals, and that's why he has made the private zoo. And when he brought Toto from Tangawala, he purchased Toto in 500 rupees, and he brought Toto from the Tangawala and kept it in his house in the cupboard of writer's room. But the things were not there, everything was destroyed there. They were shattered, the things were very shattering in condition. So they thought that they should keep it in private zoo, that is of his grandfather, and they kept it in private zoo. So such kind of many adventurous thing that have been done by Toto the monkey, and that's why now we will discuss about the question answer of this chapter, and it will clarify the concept of the story, and it will go in a order. I think that. So the first question is, how does Toto come to grandfather's private zoo? So how does he come? Because his grandfather uh, brought Toto from he purchased Toto from Tangawala in 500 rupees, and he brought Toto into private zoo. First he kept it into the writer's cupboard, room cupboard, but it was not the suitable place for him, and that's why the member of his family thought to kept to keep Toto into uh, private zoo. Toto was second question. Toto was a pretty monkey. In what sense is Toto pretty? Actually, the writer has described that Toto, he was looking very good, and his teeth, they were looking like they were shining like the diamond. And this was the most important description the writer is doing of Toto, and it is the center of his physical description, and that's why we can say Toto was very pretty. He has tail, he has long, fingers also, and nail also. So he has described, the writer has described this story in this sense. Say the Toto in this sense. And the third question is, why does grandfather take Toto to Saharanpur and how? Actually, the the grandfather knows this. If Toto will be here at the private zoo, as well as with other member, like the writer was there and his grandmother was there in that room. So Toto may do very, there are many things he has done, destroy, he has done scattered. So he was playing with everyone, and that's why the grandfather thought that he should take Toto also to the Saharanpur, and he's done also. He kept Toto into a bag and take the bag to the station there. Okay, and he kept Toto into bag and station there. He got a ticket for Toto also from TC. Uh, Grandfather got ticket Toto Alpha ticket Toto also, and that's why his grandfather took Toto to Saharanpur by such a way. In the same question, there is also part, why does the ticket collector insist on calling Toto a dog? Because The ticket collector, he could not identify the real pieces of Toto, that Toto was a monkey, but he thought that it might be dog, and that's why he was insisting, because the TC himself does not know which kind of animal Toto was, and that's why he was insisting that no, this is dog, not this is not monkey, this is dog. So this is the reason. The fourth question is, how does Toto take a bath? And where he has learned to do this, where does Toto almost boil himself alive? Actually, how does Toto take bath? Actually, it was winter season, and grandmother makes some warm water for Toto, and Toto takes bath from this warm water. Once Toto went to the kitchen and grandmother was not there, and Toto saw that there is a the mother has kept the pot. In the pot there is a water to boil to warm, and Toto thought that this water also will be some warm, and let us take the bath from this this water also. Toto kept there uh, in the pot when because the pot with along with the water has been kept on the uh, and that you can say that it was going to be boiled there, and the gas and whatever is there in the kitchen, and as soon as the water was starting boiling, Toto feels that the water is going to be very hard to to suffer such kind of pain by the uh, warm water, and that's why he learned it from his poets, writer's grandmother, that he was taking bath, and he learned it from there. So to learn it from the grandmother, sorry, the writer's grandmother. Fifth question is, why does the author say Toto was not the sort of the pet we could keep for a long time? Actually, the writer has given this such kind of you know opinion about Toto because Toto was not living in a disciplined way, because he was doing most of the functions, he was functioning in the way that disturbed the system of a human being, of living a human being. And simply, and that's why, because of his activities, his adventurous activities in the room, activities in private zoo, activities on this station, these are the things which cannot be tolerable, which cannot be tolerated by anyone, either it is writer, it writer's grandfather, grandmother, either we as a human nature, as a normal planning. And that's why, because Toto, he came from the jungle, and actually he was not well trained how to live in society. So there is a difference between a well trained animal and without trained animal. And that's why the writer said it was not possible to keep Toto here is in his room for a long time. They could not keep Toto there. So this was the these were the question, five questions. One more question: do you have a pet? Is it is your pet mischievous? Tell the class about it. So I think that you should think about that. If you have, you will tell the class, you will write something about that. Understood? So this is the question answer that is there in this story. So I think that after reading this short story, summary of this story, now we have to discuss the question answer, and the things should be clear now. So for this, I hope that you understand. If you are not getting the things, getting the idea, you can ask me. Okay, thank you very much, and have a good day.